Hello, my name is Thomas Norton, and I work in the Educational Technology Department at BJU Press. Today I'm showing you a timeline creation tool called Time Graphics. Once you've gotten to the page and you've made an account, you'll see there's a Create button there. So we'll click on that and get started. Going across the middle, we have our timeline, and we also have a new event option up here. So we'll click that, and then this wheel of options comes up. The two options you'll probably use the most are the event option and the time period option. So to put our first event in, we'll click event and add the details over here on the right. My first event will be Captain Cook discovering the Hawaiian Islands. I'll put my date in here. That happened in 1778. I could put a specific date. I've decided to just put the year for this one. I can also change the color and change where my option is on the timeline, if I want it to be above or below, and what I want it to look like. And then I can keep adding events to my timeline and it will populate them here. You'll also notice if I click back into this event, there are some options along the top here to add a picture and add a video. So let's see what that looks like. As we add a picture, I have an image downloaded. So I will go take that picture of Captain Cook. I can resize it and click save. As I do that, you'll notice it shows up on the timeline and also shows up when I click on the event. I also have a video that is an account of somebody talking about Captain Cook discovering Hawaii. So we will also add that in, copy my link and paste it in. And that video will show up when we're looking at the timeline. You can click on and view the video. Finally, you can add a place on the event. So if we want to add Hawaii, we can search that in and add that as well. We can also add a time span if we would like. We can click in here. Of course, we would give a description for the time span, and you can give a starting and ending date there. I'll just leave the dates that they put in there. And you can see how that shows up. Same options as the other one. You can make that sit below the timeline or above the timeline as you would like. When you're done adding all of your events to your timeline, you can click save here. And we'll give our event a name. It will give us the option to share our timeline with our students using this link, or you can embed your timeline on a website if you like. Your students, when they click on the link, will see this page and they'll be able to open it up and view those things that we added to our timeline. So we can view the picture, the videos here, and we also have the map showing when your students click on the link. So that's creating a timeline in Time Graphics. There is one more thing I want to show you, and that is when you join and make your account for your timeline, there will be some limits to what you can add, how many events you can add to a timeline, and how many pictures you can add. But if you go over here to the right where this crown is and click on it, there are options to unlock those limits for free. So of course you can pay for a premium account and unlock those limits there, or you can click the free option, and there's a couple of different options. You can subscribe to them on YouTube or follow their company on Instagram. Any of these options up here at the top will unlock all of the limits, so you can add as many events and pictures as you would like. So I hope this tool can be helpful to you. Hope you can give it a look and see how you can use it in your classroom, how you can have your students make timelines, or how you can make timelines for your students to reference. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to hear what you do with this tool.